Good morning, class. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start a new poem, that is Joe the emoji. So, Joe is the name of an emoji. Emojis are the faces which we use to express various expressions and emotions in our chats as well as in our daily life. Like this, we make faces. So, these are the emojis. So let's move towards the poem. Let's read it. I am Joe the emoji. Joe himself talks about various faces he makes. I am this when I am glad. I am Joe the emoji and I am happy. As he smiles, it shows he is happy. When he makes red face, I am this when I am angry. When its face turns red, he gets angry. That means he gets annoyed. I am this when I am sad. And tears drops are seen when he is sad over something. Whenever I am silly, my face goes like this. And whenever he is cracking any jokes and make his face like this, he puts tongue out and blink. I make this face if I like you or blow you this face. He winks if he likes someone or blow his lips to kiss. I make this face when I am tired. His eyes sleeps when he feels fatigued or tired. I make this face when I am afraid. He cries when he gets scared of something. I have the most flexible face ever made. Okay, he can make different faces to show various emotions. I hope that you thumbs up me and don't think I am rude. He feels that despite he makes various faces, we will like him by showing thumbs up like this and not think he is rude. That is, rude means ill-mannered. We will not think he is ill-mannered. I am Joe the emoji. I am this dude. He tells that he is Joe the emoji and he is a stylish and full of confident person. So Joe the emoji makes faces like you make. Like when you are glad, you show faces like this. When you are angry, when sad, and when tired, when got afraid. When he is flexible, various faces he made. And when he is dude, full of confident and stylish. So let's move towards a word meaning, that is emoji, a small digital image used to express an idea or emotion. Silly, foolish, blow you a, make gesture as though sending a kiss through the air. Flexible, here able to show many emotions. Rude means a stylish and confident person like this, or emoji like this. So tomorrow we'll start with the exercise. Okay class, thank you.